The question is, will this remote drone ID sensor be able to track drones all the way around the stadium while a football game is underway? And can we stream it live to YouTube over a Starlink? Here we go. This is live. We're tracking that on the camera here at our mobile command center. 1 second, and it's going through right here. This is our live command feed. As you can see, we picked up 95 tracks from 4:30 p.m. until we finished a little bit before 9 p.m. Mountain Time. The operators launched from 2 different locations. One was over here in the west parking lot. That looked like that was the police examining some of these buildings over here to make sure there weren't any potential threats. And then the media drone, which flew around and around and out and about during the entire game, they launched from this location where we can see the operator here. So yes, indeed, we did track. And while all of this was going on, we did stream this live to YouTube, as you can see here, and that was all done via the Starlink.